Now, like I said, that Kerberos is an open protocol, and that means that vendors can change it however they need to. They can change the code to work with their products, integrate within the environments. And so what Microsoft has done has taken Kerberos and taken some pieces of Sesame, and they actually kind of combine the two, where there's a PKI involved. Now, for the CISSP exam, you don't need to know about combining Kerberos and Sesame. What you need to know about is Kerberos. It's based on symmetric cryptography. There's a KDC. It has authentication service and ticket granting service. Tickets are used for authentication. Principals use the tickets for authentication. It's a single sign-on technology, and it's vulnerable to password guessing, and it could be a single point of failure. The same things actually are true about Sesame. Sesame too is vulnerable to password guessing, but again, it's not that it's vulnerable to it. It just that doesn't go into the realm of what it covers.